Hello my fans, welcome to my YouTube channel. If not the first time they come, you're welcome. I beg hit the subscribe button and like this video. But if you be returning subscriber, you always come watch my video. Thank you so much. Just like them. Don't forget to like them and share them. Okay, for this video now, it is very simple. They say make you find these three things. I. If f of x equal to 1 over. See the question. If f of x equal to 1 over x. Make we start from the I. This is common that limit of a function. You understand? But this is a function. Hello my fans. Hello my fans. If not the first time they join my channel with this, thank you very much. But make you hit the subscribe button and like this video. If you're a returning subscriber, you don't already come and watch my video, just like that. Thank you very much for supporting me. So look, we solve this question. This question come on that function. How I want to take solve. They say if f of x equal to 1 over x, make you find I f of 2. If you want to get I, will be f of 2. See now, normally the question come as f of x, nothing concerned 2. Now they can say make you find f of 2, meaning say 2 don't they replace x, 2 don't they take the position of x, meaning say anywhere you see x, make you put 2. That's what it means. So now to find this one now, therefore if you say f of 2 will be equal to, see now 2 don't take the position of x, meaning anywhere you see x, make you put 2. That be the answer. Clap for me now. Clap for me if it's simple. Clap for me. I hope we continue. The II is going to find f of x plus 2. And the same thing. See f of x. Now x plus 2, they take position of x. Just like the way 2 take the position of x. Now x plus 2 they take the position of x. Meaning anywhere you see x, make you put x plus 2. So the answer will be 1 over x plus 2. Here will the answer. They feel them abi. I go lie for you. Yeah, now I. And this one, when I say they tough, and maybe I go focus attention on. It's still simple. I go lie. So now, it's me find f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 over 2. Advance. I want to run them. No bother this one again. But even if they don't give us I and I, if you see this one, run your stuff. Like for f of x of 2, x plus 2, and then I say x plus, and then I say x, just put 1 over x plus 2 minus, maybe this one, f of 2, meaning anywhere you see this one, you just put 2 minus 1 over 2 over 2. It's simple. But now, they don't even make it easier for us. F of x plus 2, function of x plus 2, function of x plus 2, see the result here. That means in place of this one, I'll just carry this guy, photocopy, put 1 over x plus 2 minus, waiting be our f of 2. We don't find f of 2 already as 1 over 2. 1 over 2 over this particular 2. Maybe the final answer. You know, if you see something like this, maybe fraction. Even this one will be 1 over 2. But you know, if you leave it like that. Normally, if I tell you, say 2 times 2 will give you 4. So, yeah, now 1 over 4. People ask me how. Make I quickly show you before I do it. If I get 1 over 2 over 2, now the same thing as 1 over 2 divided by 2. This division are the same thing as this one. Hope you know. Okay, now. So now, if you make here over 1, because 2 divided by 1 is same thing as 2. Division of fractions say, immediately you write 1 over 2. Immediately you change division sign to multiplication. You go flip the term after division sign. Turn it upside down, so I'm going to get 1 over 2. So 1 times 1 will give me 1. 2 times 2 will give me 4. That's how I get 1 over 4. What I tell you here. So what will be the next step? From this place, I will say 1 over x plus 2 minus 1 over 4. Normally, now LCM we can't look. And for even do cross multiply the denominator. The way they do addition and subtraction of fraction, but maybe we use LCM, make you no confuse. How I want to take the LCM here? CM. LCM of x plus 2 and 4. I have to multiply everything together. And the way I want to take multiplier, I don't want to go straight. I will just first write 4 into x plus 2. You and me believe, say, multiplication and same thing as a bracket. So this one means that they multiply 2 of them. the way they tell you. That be the LCM. Now the next point we say this x plus 2 go inside this one. X plus 2 divide by this one, or this one divide by x plus 2. X plus 2 and x plus 2 will cancel. Remain 4. This 4 will multiply the numerator. So 4 times 1 will be 4. Minus. This one will go into this one. That means this one divide by 4. That means 4 and 4 will cancel. Remaining this one. This one times 1 will be, open bracket to x plus 2. Now, if you don't put this bracket where I put, it will just be 4 minus x plus 2. And you know go correct. Because here are two-term expression. If not only x or not only 2, there you don't need bracket. If you get two things, you must use bracket. Two things where plus or minus separate, you must use bracket. I'm not gonna give you. I give you update, may you not forget yourself one day. So now waiting you can't get here. 4 minus times x, now minus x. Minus plus now minus. Minus, okay, we don't do minus plus, will be minus 2 will remain. So what I do, I use minus, clear the bracket. Say minus times x, minus times plus 2, minus 2. Over, yeah, 4 times x, 4x, plus 4 times 2, 8. Finally, you can get 4 minus 2 will give me waiting 2, abi, minus this x, over, yeah, 4x plus 8. Let me the final answer for this I believe say from this thing I don't teach you like this, everything enter. Make you no come out as say you no like my video, you can come out, you know go nice. And drop sweet comment, make I know say you say if you feel I explain everything well for you. Now later we go relate now. I beg no forget to like this video and share am. Me I don't come out too. Thank you.